Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Turn on airplane mode to disable cellular radios and reduce interference. This action stops voice calls, SMS, and mobile data from transmitting. It preserves the device for permitted onboard networks and complies with airline rules. Airplane mode does not prevent you from enabling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth afterward. You regain local wireless options without reactivating cellular towers or roaming signals. Use this state to separate device radios and avoid accidental cellular transmissions during flight. Open settings and enable Wi-Fi while airplane mode remains active. Your device will scan for networks and list the airline SSID. Select the airline SSID and connect using the provided passcode or open captive portal. If a login page appears, follow prompts and accept terms to gain internet access. Purchase a session if the airline charges for connectivity. Stay mindful that Wi-Fi only provides internet without cellular voice or SMS capabilities. Avoid using apps that require SMS verification while on Wi-Fi in airplane mode. Rely on email, app tokens, or authenticator apps that work without SMS. Use secure sites and a VPN when handling sensitive data over airline Wi-Fi to protect your information. Limit large downloads and streaming to manage shared bandwidth and courtesy to other passengers. Monitor battery use, as Wi-Fi can still consume significant power during flight. Turn off Bluetooth, if not needed to conserve energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.